Ronnie, why haven't you replied to my messages? I saw her name and I just couldn't. Did I do something wrong? Please tell me. She didn't do anything wrong. That's the problem. I'm starting to think you don't want to be friends. Lily, that's not true. Please don't think that. But I had ghosted her for 2 whole weeks. And I had no idea how to fix it. My name is Ronnie, and I have a best friend. Her name is Lily, and she is amazing. Lily always checks in on me first. Good morning, Ronnie. Did you eat breakfast today? I had a cookie. That counts, right? Ronnie, a cookie is not a meal. She always sends me funny videos, too. Ronnie, this video is so you. Watch it now. We talked every single day for 3 years. She knew everything about me. Everything. Ronnie, let's go to that new cafe Saturday. Huh, yes. I've been wanting to try that place. Those were the good days. Simple and easy. But then work got really bad in October. My boss kept adding tasks every single day.
Ronnie, can you also do the client report?
I said yes. I always say yes. I came home exhausted every single night. I was totally overwhelmed. My brain felt empty. Ronnie, how was your day? Miss you lots. I saw Lily's message. I couldn't reply. I put my phone down and went to sleep. Hey, Ronnie, are you okay? Haven't heard from you. I read it. I wanted to reply. I didn't. 1 day became 2 days. Then a week. Ronnie? Did something happen? I'm worried about you. I had officially ghosted my best friend. Not on purpose. But does that even matter? Ronnie, have you called Lily recently? Mom, I've just been really busy lately. Busy is fine. But don't ignore your friends. I know, Mom. I know. But knowing and doing are very different things. Okay. I hope you're doing well, Ronnie. That last message from Lily hit different. I hope you are doing well. She gave up. She stopped pushing. And I felt horrible. I started to feel guilty every single moment. At breakfast. On the bus. Before bed. I started to overthink every possible scenario. What if she thinks I hate her now? What if she already found better friends? What if it's too late to fix this? The more I avoided her, the worse I felt. The longer I waited, the harder it got. It's like a snowball. It just keeps growing. Ronnie, you look tired. What's going on? Nothing, Mom. I'm just stressed about work. Is it really just work? Or something else? I miss Lily, Mom. But I don't know. You don't know... You don't know what? I don't know how to talk to her anymore. You say hello. That's always enough to start. I know it sounds simple. It doesn't feel simple. I kept thinking about what to say first. Sorry, I ghosted you? That sounds so bad. Hey, long time no see? That's even worse. I typed and deleted 50 messages that week. I was avoiding the problem and making it bigger.
Ronnie, you seem distracted today. Everything okay?
I'm fine, Jake. Just have a lot on my mind. I wasn't fine. I felt guilty every second. It's not that I don't care. I care too much. And sometimes caring too much makes you shut down. Then one Friday night, something changed for me. I was scrolling and I saw an old photo. We looked so happy. We were so happy. I had been pushing her away without realizing it. I wasn't protecting myself. I was hurting both of us. I should have replied sooner. I know that now. Even one short message would have been enough. Something like, "Hey, I am okay. Just tired right now." That's it. 7 words. That's all I needed. I was so busy overthinking that I forgot to care. I had to figure out how to fix this. Not a perfect speech, just an honest start. I picked up my phone. I opened our chat. My hands were shaking. But I started typing. I was so scared, but I kept going anyway. I wrote 10. Lily Fair, I'm sorry I want quiet on you, Tang. I wasn't avoiding you. I was avoiding everything. I know that's not a good excuse. I'm sorry. I hit send. And then I waited. 3 minutes. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. Nothing. I put my phone down. I went to make tea. Then my phone buzzed. Ronnie. I'm glad you reached out. I missed you. I started crying. Like, actually crying in my kitchen. I was worried, but I didn't want to push. You can push. I need you to push sometimes. Okay. I will. But you also have to check in. I will. I promise. Even just a short message. That conversation took 5 minutes. 5 minutes, you guys. You know, ghosting isn't always about not caring. Sometimes you care so much that you freeze up. But the person on the other side doesn't know that. They just see your silence, and silence hurts. If you're thinking of someone right now, reach out. You don't need perfect words. You just need to try. I was so overwhelmed that I ghosted someone I love. I avoided her, I overthought everything, and I felt guilty every day. Have you ever ghosted someone you actually care about? Tell me in the comments. I really want to know.